Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the LEGO Ninjago Zane Battle Suit Mech. I'll show you the unboxing, build process and my honest review of this awesome set. Let's dive into the Ninjago adventure. Finally, we have built it. Now it's time for the pros and cons of this set. The pros of this set are the design of the Zane battle suit is very good. It is really very affordable and good for Ninjago fan, and also it has a range variety of minifigures. It has three minifigures and all the three of them are very rare. So that's the pros of this set. Now the cons of this set that it is very the complexity of this set is very limited, so it is not a good option for advanced builder. And also the mech site is very small compared to the other mech sets. Now some special features about this set is that it has movable mech parts for action poses and also comes with accessories like a sword. Is it worth buying? So yes, it is worth buying. If you love Ninjago and want a cool mech build, it's a good value for fans of this series and collectors. I would give it a solid 8 out of 10. So that's a wrap on the LEGO Ninjago Zane Battle Suit Mech review. If you are a Ninjago fan, this set a solid choice with cool details and play features. So thanks for watching and let me know what you think of this set in the comments. Subscribe for more LEGO unboxing and review. I'll meet you in the next video.